Welcome to the land of Karbi Anglong, where the District Health Society have introduced a groundbreaking concept called Matrices, the pregnant woman waiting home. In view of difficult hilly terrain and dense forest areas of Karbi Anglong district, a remarkable initiative has emerged to address the healthcare needs of pregnant women in remote and unreachable areas.
Gangba, wow, na bên nhau làm chung kì.
Thôi đam nhiều.
Wow, thấy công nghệ dự pin là.
Vàng vẹt kẹo hết bè.
Là, thì công nghệ pin si vàng luôn chung kì.
Pan bè.
Cái làng mà. Cái làng là sao? Tôi cái công nghệ của sân này.
Cái hệ nô pizza.
Cái làng mà. Achha, đây là sáu tỷ long matric hall pu. Itu medical department pen PP ni awar sai ki people nang tu marjulong ma.
Marjulong sa.
Achha, la so matric hall long PPC awar sai long punang tung karjulong lo.
Nitung karjulong mang ke mepik lo sa matric hall pi ke dak so cepat he temhan ke pasang thek di thek apot nitung choro pik lo medical sort manta.
Ladak hedi nitum lapaan hedi department sor medical sort kang hon sariti sor pu bor pung tarapung bolang so sort han kisukyun e usuchuba thetum towar khai no kibangon e lasidak nitum department pen dak si subcenter system si bhoilo matric hor pu dak mane nangnitum arong sor mane usuchuba thetum doplote jitiala aporlu usul jajangin dok lo plote nangtum dak waning noi dak of matric hor long nithon nipti an atum bohal akkejoy pendulong po kichujun ok an tanang tumang tipo dak nang teman kalana bang doik po lapen jitia hal su apai bang jitia sui dok lo pote tumang ambulance hang po nitum long hang po nitum ambulance hang toy po karnang tum dak ambulance pen hospital na akkejoy pen wan po dak osu coba tepan coba jangi pan akkejoy pen long pon po
mepik lo sa la so awar sai ki thek apot ke ha ako lan so se te pathe ma sinang do mala chune ni thulo
la sidang leke hapu bor pu gang bra pot hapu so to man che thanik no adak la usuma ma se su coba the dok lo tang te apor lo pote hoptang re phang tak wang no
mepik lo sa no
wang no nang to makkejoy pen kichu jun pen chenglok dak ok anang piji ajutang khyonu mangdoji antum ki kesadim ta doik po pe ri pen chenglok musuri longi po chitimlam longi po bang nanglana bang doik po lasin nang thum chathai mute ka dok le phanta
chathali po sa chathali po mepik lo sa nang tom la nang than thek apot
ato
Due to the difficult terrain and lack of transportation, reaching a hospital in time for delivery was a daunting task for the pregnant woman. The Matrices serves as a transit point for the pregnant woman residing in the remotest corners of the district. Matrices acts as a bridge, providing a crucial link between remote villages and nearby hospitals. It is a residential facility for the pregnant woman who can wait for delivery before being transferred to the nearby hospital. The goal is to ensure safe hospital delivery for both the mother and newborn. Lack of proper road connectivity in the remotest areas of the district is the biggest hindrance for the population in seeking healthcare services. The only available source of transportation in the remotest and unreachable areas is the locally made mode of transportation with available resources. The pregnant woman is taken by a locally made mode of transportation called pan, made of locally available bamboo, and in Assamese it is called melang. The river Kalyoni flows across Tarapung, Borpung and Borlangso, covering scattered population with dense forest areas. During summer season, the only source of transportation for the population of the area is the Phan, and the pregnant women are brought by this mode of transportation for delivery in the nearby hospital in spite of all risks and obstacles. The pregnant woman is taken to the Matrighar before 3 to 4 days of her expected date of delivery by the Asha worker accompanied by her family members. After reaching the Matrighar, the pregnant woman is taken care of by the caretaker engaged by the Health and Family Welfare Department. The female caretaker plays a vital role in providing care, comfort, and support to the pregnant woman during this critical time.